The Ace family's Austin McBroom has been exposed for cheating yet again. If you recall, Mojo called him out back in June, and now Instagram fitness model Noelle is calling out both Austin and Jason Derulo for sliding into her DMs. I'm your host, Johnny Rogers, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know right here on IO. But first, if you happen to be new here and you don't want to miss another video, make sure you tap that subscribe button. With that out of the way, let's begin. Noelle has become popular on social media for her fitness motivational content, and while appearing on the podcast called Raw Talk, hosted by Bradley Martin, Noelle revealed some pretty crazy information. Although, once we found out who it was, I suppose it wasn't that crazy to believe. Both have a history of cheating. In the episode, though, they're all talking about Noelle's dating life, and Bradley mentions that he has personally gone through all of her DMs, and then went on to say, I looked through all of her DMs, she has got DM'd by everyone you can think of, all blue checks. Then she is asked to expose some of the people that are sliding into her DMs, and as she tries to get them to change the subject, Brad blurts out Austin's name. Then Noelle reveals that another person was Jason Derulo. For starters, though, Austin is currently married to former Victoria's Secret model Catherine McBroom, and together they have 3 children. As for Jason Derulo, he's a father as well. He and his wife, actor Jenna Frooms, just had a baby boy. So there are big accusations coming from this podcast that impact actual families. However, if you've followed any of the other scandals regarding the Ace family, then you'll know that this isn't Austin's first rodeo. Prior to this, he was accused by fellow YouTubers Jake Paul and Mojo of cheating on his wife. One afternoon, Tana posted a series of tweets and claimed that Austin had been cheating on Catherine repeatedly. In one tweet she says, one time Austin McBroom was cheating on Catherine with a random woman and she left a lipstick in his car. Then I was sitting with Jake in the car and he gets a FaceTime. It's from Austin crying and Catherine yelling, is this Tana's lipstick? Austin says it is. It wasn't. She then goes on to say, but I lied for the sake of the children and said it was, shaking my head. Happy fight day, Team Bryce on God. Although it didn't stop there, she also went on to accuse him of hiring 4 of her friends to be nannies or masseuses around the house so that it was easier to cheat while Catherine was away. So far, Austin nor Jason have responded to those earlier accusations made by Noelle, but in that last case with Tana's accusation, she actually got a response from him. Austin claimed that the lipstick found in the car belonged to Erica Costell. He goes on to say in his response, Cap to the biggest clout chaser of them all, and it was actually Erica Costell's lipstick, dummy. I was taking Jake and her back to Jake's house. This lame ass lie ain't gonna save the attention that your little boyfriend Bryce is about to get for his whooping. Many people on the internet were in shock though from those earlier claims and took their confusion and frustration to the comment sections. One user commented on Austin's Instagram and said, and Catherine McBroom will still stand by her husband. At what point do you step away? Cheating accusations seems like he can be a real dick to her, put his family in debt and lost their forever home. What will they have left to leave their kids but a bunch of judgments? I hope one day she wakes up. With others just commenting on Jason Derulo's page that his wife deserves better. For now though, these are all of the updates that we have for you, but as always, don't forget to drop us a comment down below with your thoughts. I've been your host, Johnny Rogers, and until next time, stay classy YouTube, or at least try.